If you haven't delved into the realm of quantum manifesting, it's high time you embrace this practice. Quantum physics offers a multitude of possibilities for manifestation, ranging from quantum leaping to collapsing time. The technique I'm about to share with you focuses specifically on quantum manifesting for financial abundance. I assure you, it yields rapid and significant results in your ability to manifest money. So, if you're ready to give it a try, let's dive right in. Welcome back to my channel. My channel revolves around manifesting wealth through affirmations. While I deeply appreciate the spiritual aspects of manifestation, the most profound breakthroughs often stem from the scientific and brain-based facets. Over the past few years, I've been captivated by quantum physics and the concept of quantum manifesting, which involves collapsing time to manifest your desires swiftly. A key concept in this technique, derived from quantum physics, is known as the observer effect. Prepare to have your mind blown because this effect will revolutionize your approach to manifesting forever. In the interest of brevity, I'll cut to the chase and show you precisely how to use it. I understand that quantum physics may seem intimidating or dull, but it plays a pivotal role in manifestation. Simply put, the observer effect states that your focus and attention on something directly influence its outcome or behavior. Your attention affects the result. Here's the even more mind-boggling part. If you're truly honest with yourself, you'll notice that what you focus on, feel, and think about money tends to manifest in your reality. Reflect on it for a moment. If you're anxious, worried, or have fears about money, if you constantly fret about scarcity or lack, it becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. You continue to attract experiences aligned with your focus. This is the observer effect in action. The key lies in changing your observation and utilizing this quantum principle to manifest rapidly. Allow me to guide you through the steps of this technique and show you exactly how to implement it. Quantum physics deals with matters at a molecular level, emphasizing meticulous attention to detail. Consequently, this process necessitates a high level of specificity regarding your desired manifestation, as well as your observation and attention towards it. Start by selecting one financial goal that you wish to manifest. Although this technique can be applied to other areas as well, we'll focus on money for now, as it works exceptionally well in this domain. Once you've chosen your financial goal, take the time to write it down, visualize it, or meditate on it, whichever method resonates best with you. Find a way to connect deeply with it, immersing yourself in the experience of it as if it were already present in your life. Take note. This goes beyond merely acting as if you already have it. You must wholeheartedly commit to this experience. Be cautious, though, as there's a delicate balance to maintain. Avoid coming across as desperate, needy, or pushy. Observing your desired manifestation from a standpoint of excessive want or obsession signals a lack of it. Instead, relish the experience of it as if it's already here. This should bring you immense joy, reminiscent of the carefree immersion in make-believe during childhood play. Allow this experience to be your personal playground. After all, you wouldn't feel desperate if you already possessed the desired outcome. So how can you tap into that feeling of living it out in the present moment, in a relaxed and enjoyable manner? As I mentioned earlier, you can achieve this state through journaling, visualization, or meditation. Whatever method enables you to vividly experience its presence. Find what works best for you, as you'll instinctively feel a connection to it. Once you've created this experiential connection, the next step is to observe how your mind processes thoughts about your desired manifestation. Take note of your immediate thoughts regarding your chosen goal or desire. Pay close attention. This step involves examining your thoughts about the object of your desire. How do you perceive it? Do you believe it's possible? Ask yourself probing questions to gain crystal clear insight into your thoughts and beliefs surrounding your desired manifestation. By applying the first step of observing the experience of your desired manifestation as if it were already here, with the imaginative spirit of a child fully immersed in play, you set the energetic wheels in motion for it to materialize in your current reality. Next, as you observe your genuine thoughts and feelings about it, clearing any obstacles in your path, you're essentially pulling back a slingshot, collapsing time to bring your desired manifestation into the present moment. Live in the end result and observe it as real, regardless of external circumstances, because your observation determines your reality.